Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll show you how to create a sales signal in Zoho CRM using custom function whenever the lead is created. Okay, let's begin. Further, you have to create a sales signal in your account. Give the name whatever you want. So our namespace will be the test_test, and you can choose the signal icon as well. So yeah, create. So our signal is created successfully. Okay, this is our signal test. Okay, this will be the namespace, and this is we're gonna use in the custom function. So let's create a custom function. Select the leads module, and the role name will be test. So I need whenever the lead is created, so choose create for all leads, and here create custom function. So create a new function here, write your own, give the function name, no function, this is the display name, no function. Okay. Further, to have to raise a sales signal, the email is mandatory. So first I have to fetch my email, the lead email. So select your lead ID here. So select your lead ID here. So .cm.getRecordById. So get the email from this lead, from this new lead. So lead.get email. Okay, so we fetched our email. So I have a code for the signal. So let's modify the code here, and so the namespace will be our signal namespace. So test. So subject will be lead is created. So I want to display the lead name here, so I have to fetch my lead name. And So everything is set. So the namespace, subject, message, everything is done. So save the function. Oh no, good subject. Okay. Save the workflow. Let's test. So I'm going to create a lead with the name of new lead and give the email. This is mandatory. And okay, so let's save it. Yeah, so you can see here signal raised with the subject new lead created, new lead, this is the last name, and this is some message, new lead created in Zoho CRM from this email. So that's it guys, thanks for watching.